The difference between free objects and objects with constraint is that with free objects, each object is independent of one another. So for example, if I try to move this line around, you can see that other objects won't respond to that change. Now let's Control Z and go to the Parametric tab and select the AUTOCONSTRAIN command. Select all objects, and as you can see, these buttons appear, which tells you that each object is constrained in a certain direction, which means that if I try to move one object, other objects will respond to that change. So as you can see here, all objects are dependent on one another. Now to remove these constraints, go to the Parametric tab and select Delete Constraints from the Manage panel. Select all objects and hit Enter. Now objects will move freely without depending on other objects.